Check out how we made it impossible to steal this Tundra here. If I put my foot on the brake and press the start button, truck does not start. The IGLA system requires a PIN code to be entered prior to being able to drive the vehicle. If I enter our code here using factory controls, you'll see that the auto high beam light flashed 2 times there. That means the system is now disarmed. If I put my foot on the brake and press start, fires right up. This system is 100% automatic. If I turn the vehicle off and we wait 3 seconds, after 3 seconds, the system automatically rearms. Foot on the brake, press start, truck does not start. I'm gonna go ahead and enter our temporary PIN code. We'll get the 2 auto high beam light, start it, drive it off, and we're good to go. With this system here, we also get to keep the remote start. Let me hop out and show you how that works. If I press our lock button 3 times here and hold, continue holding until it starts. Lights are flashing, truck still fires up. This factory remote start does shut down after the vehicle is either unlocked or the door is opened. So there's no concern about a security risk. If I press unlock, engine shuts off there. This vehicle, if you notice all the markings on it, was a theft recovery. This customer had their Tundra stolen from their apartment in Dallas. They came to us to get the best possible solution to protect their investment, to keep their vehicle so they're not inconvenienced. If you have any questions about how we can protect your vehicle with the best system on the market, give us a call or text 972-612-6886.